Hey, it's Xavier, and I'm in front of a pre-owned G-Wagon. This is a G63 in the MANUFAKTUR Night Black Magno. And I'm going to go over the specific specs and in the price that you could actually check it out. So this one does have the 22-inch, crossbolt wheels in the black. This one is an upgrade color as well, so you don't see too many of them. I think there's a really nice contrast with the black Magno paint and the exterior that doesn't have the night package, which you have the chrome looking or steel looking bumper and spare wheel cover. So this one is certified and it does come with an extended warranty. Now let me do the inside. So inside the car, this one has the piano black lacquer. Inside the car, you do have the black Napa leather seats, so very soft, very luxurious feeling on the car. Just want to show you, it does have the sport bucket seats because it is an AMG. It is a V8 577 horsepower engine, so pretty powerful vehicle. Up top, you have the Alcantara top on it, and get to show you the rear seats. So very well taken care of. This is a car that we just got in, so I don't expect it to last long. But again, just want to show you just how the room and the condition of the back seats. Let me show you the rear area of the car. So you can see, not scuffed or anything like that, in pretty good shape. This one's ready to go. If you would like additional details on this one, check out my video description. And if you have any questions, I'm Xavier. Thank you for watching.